Hello and welcome. This is a Centrex lender matchmaking demonstration. Let's go ahead and get started. But first, what is Centrex? Centrex is a menu of fintech products and services so that you can build an ecosystem both for your staff and for your customers. So if you are a finance company of some kind, a bank, a credit union, a fintech company, a private equity firm, a hedge fund, or if your organization has any sort of needs for lending or payment processing products, Centrex menu is exactly what you need. What the menu looks like is CRM or loan origination software, electronic signature, email and SMS marketing, a full calendar system, portfolio servicing or payment processing, syndicate investor and or lender management, a white labeled mobile app that you can give to your clients, a website form builder with Plaid fully integrated, managed data cloud for custom reporting, our open API for those of you that want to connect with Centrex outside the software, and then of course, software consulting. Okay, let's go ahead and jump back to lender matchmaking. Within the Centrex platform, we have a tab here called Lenders. This allows you to add all the different types of lenders that you work with in the software if you are in fact a broker or some sort of ISO organization, or if you're a lender that also maybe does a little bit of brokering as well. So all of your lenders can be added into the Lenders tab. There's some basic information that can be added for each lender. As you add lenders, you're going to be able to see here details for this particular lender, how many deals you have with this lender, some basic information about them. Okay, but what you have here is a button called Criteria. And what criteria allows you to do is it allows you to add filters for the fields that you have in the software for your borrowers. Okay, so in the Contacts tab, if I were to jump in here, and I were to click on Add a Contact in the software, there is going to be data points that you have on file, like annual gross revenue, years in business, maybe some other questions that are relative to borrowers that you need to know for underwriting. Those data points we allow you to filter on for lenders. So lenders that only accept certain types of files, maybe lenders that only work in certain types of states, they only do certain types of products, they'll only accept borrowers with a certain annual revenue or a certain personal credit score. Okay, those fields here are available for you to filter on. Okay, so for example, state, we've added one here. I only want to see deals that are in Alabama, and I've got other states. I can create multiple filter sets, and I can add those filters for this particular lender. Once the foundations of all your lenders' criteria have been set up in the Lenders tab for each one of your lenders, when you have a borrower in the Contacts tab, let's go ahead and jump into Al's Laundry Service here, and we're going to go ahead and check out this Deals for Al's Laundry Service. We're going to go over to Submissions. So as a broker or an ISO shop that would like to submit a file to multiple lending institutions to get the best rate, you'd click on Submissions here. I'd click on New Submission. I can package up the documents I would like for this submission, but down here where all your lenders are, the lenders that show up in green are going to meet 100% of the match rate for the criteria that you put in for that lender for this particular borrower. So this particular borrower is Al's Laundry Service. They're a contact in the software. I come back to the contact. I come to deals. I can see this particular deal. And like I said, under the Submissions tab here, you can see all the submissions you've already done. But if I click on New Submission, I can see docs. I can see the lenders I want to submit to. Lenders in green meet 100% of that criteria match rate. And then down below, I have my email, and I can submit this package to those lenders. Okay, so it's actually not quite that difficult. You've got filters for lenders in the Lenders tab based on the data points you have for each borrower. So this was a lender matchmaking demonstration with Centrex software.